So linear equations and variables, any doubts that you have? Was this the last topic we discussed? Yeah. Did we do problems based on it? Only one. No, I'm not asking about that concept. I'm asking about the MTG problems. Did we do? We didn't start now. Okay, we'll do few problems, then we'll go to probability. Let's get started. Did you complete everything? Not the MTG problems. Okay, then we can do it, no? Okay, read the first question. What is it? So as far as I remember, yeah, you can sit on it. Okay, so how to proceed? So what are the two equations? So MTG, what is the page number? Page number 83. You have level 1 problem. Yes. So what is the first question? So what are the equations? Tell me. 2x. Minus 5 is equal to 0. You need to find the value of k for which it has unique solution. So if it has to have a unique solution, what should be the condition? A1 by A2. So A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2, which implies 2 by 2k should not be equal to minus 1 by 7. Is that right? So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So k should not be equal to minus 7. So it can take any real number except minus 7. Can you close the door? Okay, it already has a unique solution. Okay. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So there is a small mistake. I thought they are asking us to find the values of k that you can take, provided it has a unique solution. If that is the case, then you need to do it in this way, k is equal to minus 7. But if they have already given you the solution of it, then your job is to substitute it in those two equations and find out the value. Actually, you can take this and substitute it in the second equation. So x is equal to 1. So 2k plus 7 into minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0, which implies 2k is equal to 12 and you have k is equal to 6. Is that an option? So k is equal to 6 will be the answer for which that unique solution of what ordered pair 1 comma minus 1 will satisfy the equations. Is it right? Yeah. So you have this chapter also for your test, right? You've done that. So I need not worry about your test. I can go in my pace. Then we'll go. Yeah, we'll go to the next one. So when did you write math? Monday. Okay. So second one. Read the question. X minus y equal to 1. Okay. X equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So what is the ordered pair? 2 comma 1. So this will satisfy this equation. So find the value of k, right? No, you need not do this. No, wherever k is there, take and substitute it. This equation is given only to see. This equation is given only for you to check whether that point is right or wrong. If you want, you can check and see. 2 minus 1 is 1. Yeah. So this one is 2 plus k is equal to 5, which implies k is equal to 3. That's it. I think most of the problems are like this only. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh dear. Okay, ma'am. I'll just call the management and get that. Even for 9th standard. Okay, ma'am. Can you just wait for 5 minutes? Can you just wait for 5 minutes? I'll give you an update. 15 minutes now. Give this call. Do the next one. What are the question? Solution and they get the solution also. So then if you also will be like not equal, then you have to follow the first method which I told you. Even they should not be equal to even they. So what is the answer? For third one, a is not equal to 12. Correct? 2 by 9. Okay. So I hope everybody got it, right? Can we go a little fast? Can we have time for each question? 30 seconds. Huh? Do it fast. 30 seconds for each question. Do it fast. Done? Keep going, keep going. So can I have one more? I also Sorry. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Yeah, please. So many birthdays. Happy birthday. And from which grade? 6th year, both of you? Yes. Yeah? Sisters, huh? Happy birthday. Just give me a shake hand. Be confident. You're also from 6B. Friends, not sisters. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. I think they would have showed you their own. Okay. Happy birthday. Okay. Thank you. So fourth one. So I hope problems are easy. Yeah. So how to do the sixth one? 2 by k is equal to 5 by 15 is equal to k by 18. Any one of the unknowns and equated. No? So is equal to 1 by 3. So k is equal to 6. So option B. Seventh, the pair of linear equations which has infinitely many solutions. So 13 divided by 39 is equal to k divided by 6 is equal to k divided by k plus 4. So k divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Cancel it, which implies k is equal to 2. Option B. Eighth one. Pair of linear equations has 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 6 is not equal to 1 by 2. So it has unique solution. Right? So ninth one, how many of you have completed? Okay. So the sum of ages of father and the son in years is 65. So let the age of son be x, or I can say age of father is x, age of son is y. So x plus y is equal to 65. Twice the difference between their ages is 50. So 2 times x minus y is equal to 50. So x minus y will be 25. So x plus y is 65, x minus y is 25. Right? When these kind of, x minus y. When these kind of equations are there, just add them. You will get one of the values. 2x is equal to 90, no? Which implies x is equal to 45. What is x? Age of father. What are they asking? Age of father. Answer is 45. Option A. That's right. Yeah, you can do that. But when it comes to subjective CBSE part, you need to write that because your teacher will not know which is X and which is Y. That's right, but you have to write the logic. They should understand whether you know the logic or you copy it. That's right. So there is a fraction which becomes 4 by 5 when 1 is added to each of the numerator and denominator. So let the fraction be x by y. If 1 is added to each of the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. However, if we subtract 5 from each of them, that is x minus 5 by y minus 5, the fraction becomes half. Then the numerator of the fraction is. So cross multiply 5x plus 5. 5x plus 5 is equal to 4y plus 4. 2x minus 10 is equal to y minus 5. So 5x minus 4y is minus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 5. Okay. So how many of you got the answer? Seven? Yeah. So just to improve the speed, can we find the denominator also? Yeah. Get the. Thank you. So 14 minus y is equal to 5. Yes, y is 9. Y is equal to 9. So the fraction, if they ask, the answer is 7 by 9. See, suppose the same question comes in CBSE part in your board exam, you know how to verify, right? How will you verify whether the answer is right or wrong? So 7 by 9. So you need to add 1 to the numerator and 1 to the denominator, which will give you 8 by 10, which is 4 by 5. Similarly, if you subtract 5, so subtract 5, 2 divided by 4, which becomes half. So it is right. 7 by 9 is the right answer. They're easy only, right? So only thing is you need to be fast with the calculations. So when you are doing these kind of problems, go with elimination, don't go with substitution or possibility. Is that clear? So there are 3 chairs and 2 tables which cost 1,850. So chair cost B X, table cost B Y. So 3 chairs and 2 tables cost 1,850. And 5 chairs and 2 tables, sorry, 3 tables, 5 chairs and 3 tables cost 2,850. Right? So then the total cost of 1 chair plus 1 table. So they are asking you X plus Y is equal to what? They're not asking the cost of each chair or each table. It is a sum of 1 chair and 1 table. Do it fast. So what can we do? First equation you will multiply with 3. Second equation you can multiply with 2. Okay. When I do that, I get 9x plus 6y is equal to 0, 15. So 18 3 is 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. So 550. And 10x plus 6y is equal to 2850. 0, 0. So 100. How much is it coming? 5,700. Yeah. So when you subtract both, you get minus 200 here. This will get cancelled. So x is equal to 200, 850 here. So x is 200 means 600 plus 2y is equal to 1850. So 2y will be equal to 1250. 150 here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 150. So x is 150. 150 means how much will we get? 450 plus 2y is equal to 1850. So 2y should be equal to 1,400, no? So y will be equal to 700. So 700 plus 250 is going to give you 850. Is that an option? Option B is the right answer. Right? Okay. Okay. Oh, 2x plus y is equal to 1,000. Okay. But there is no common multiple here.
No, but it's a simpler one for me.
Yeah. So 2x plus y is equal to 1,000. How did you arrive at that 850?
2x plus 5 is equal to 1,000. 4x plus 2y is equal to 2,000.
Okay.
And then I separate.
Which one? This 3x plus 2y is equal to 1,800. Ah, that also you can do. So you can do that also. But, oh, you wanted this to become 2y. That's it. You can do that. So understood what she did? See, she subtracted these two and got one more linear equation. Okay. And that linear equation, she tried to solve it with one of the linear equations. Because see, 2x plus y is equal to 1,000. When you subtract both, you get 2x plus y is equal to 1,000. Then here, if you are able to see this 2y is there, so she made this y also as 2y and then subtracted both again, so that you will get the value of x. Then you got it as 150. Twelfth one. 6 years hence, a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son, and 3 years ago he was 9 times as old as his son. The present age of the man. So age of man's age is, let it be x, and son's age be y. So 6 years hence, so x plus y, man's age will be 3 times, what is it, 6, x plus 6 only, no? X plus 6 is 3y, right? And 3 years ago, that is x minus 3. Was 9. So 3 years ago, so x minus 3, he was 9 times as old as his son. So 9 times y minus 3. So there is a mistake in the first equation, correct? 3 of y plus 6, because son would have also grown 6 years older, right? So it will be y plus 6. So which implies x plus 6 is equal to 3y plus 18. Here you have x minus 3 is equal to 9y minus 27. Okay. And so you take the 6 to the other side. X plus 3y is equal to 12. X minus 9y is equal to minus 24. Sorry? Is equal to? Well, correct only, no? So now what we'll do is, we'll subtract both. So when you do this, x gets cancelled. 12y is equal to 36. So y is equal to 3. What are they asking? The present age of the man. So present age means you substitute it back in any one of the equation. X is equal to there is no option even closer. How much did you get? Sun's age is wider. Y is not 3. I mean, if you get the sun's age, you'll be able to find the man's age, right? So what is the man's age you got? 30? How? In this equation, when you substitute in these equations, you got 30. 1 minute. Wait. So 1 minute, wait. 6 years hence, a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son. So x plus 6 will be equal to 3y plus. Where 3y? Oh, here, no? So 6y, okay. 6, okay. 6y is equal to 36, then y is equal to 6. When y is 6, then you will get x minus 18 is equal to 12. So x will be equal to 30. 30 is the answer. B. So 13th one. The solution of the pair of linear equations. A by x minus b by y is equal to 0. AB square by x plus a square b by y is equal to a square plus b square. Can you find it out? See, if it is an MCQ, one way you can do is substitute all the values and see. But the problem is here you have none of these also. See, x is equal to a, y is equal to b. It's working. I think that's the answer. That's the answer. But how will you solve this? Yes. A by x minus b by y is 0. Can I write it as a times capital X minus b times capital Y is equal to 0? Where capital X is how much? 1 by x and capital Y is 1 by y. Is that right? Okay. Next is AB square. To everyone, no? I have to submit. Okay. Okay. Hey, do research later. That's the problem. Tell me. You left X.
X minus X.
Okay, so X minus X now. Okay, 9.
X minus minus.
That's right. What you did is right only. So 6y should be equal to 35 minus 9.
Which is not this.
1 minute. This is the page you were. 3y plus 6 is 18. Now I hope you will get it. Did you understand? So did you get the answer? I got x is equal to 8 by solving it. You people are busy with that form. So what I did is I wrote this as ab square capital X plus a square b capital Y is equal to a square plus b square, right? So the first equation got converted to a capital X minus b capital Y is equal to 0. So I thought I'll eliminate y. So I multiplied with a square on both the sides for the first equation. Then I got a cube x minus a square by is equal to 0. So when I added, these two got cancelled, right? Then what am I left out with? AB square plus a cube. So I took out a common. When I take out a common, I got b square plus a square into capital X is equal to, on the right hand side, you have a square plus b square. So they both are same, cancelled it out. So capital X is 1 by a. So when capital X is 1 by a, small x will be a. So when small x is a, I think now once you know capital X, substitute it back in any one of the equations, find capital Y. That part I'm leaving it to you. Can you do it fast? Any doubt? You're clear, no? So only thing is you'll feel as if you have understood, but unless you do, you'll not get the doubts clarified. So do it fast. So did you get y is equal to a? You didn't get? Sorry, y is equal to b. I'm sorry. Y is equal to b. Did you get it? Okay. Understood what I do? Yeah. So y is equal to small b. So what is the answer for the 14th one? What do you mean by inconsistent? Inconsistent means no solution. So either you should have a unique solution or infinite solution for it to be consistent. So what is the condition for equations which do not have a solution? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Find out which equation satisfies, that's the answer. A is working. That's right. So 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 divided by 1, but it is not equal to 8 divided by 2. So it is inconsistent. A is the right answer. Because they both are parallel lines. Right. So what about the 15th one? Which of the following is or are the solutions of the pair of linear equations? 3x minus 2y is equal to 4, 6x minus 4y is equal to 8. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 4, 6x minus 4y is equal to 8. So there should be something that satisfies both the equation. If you see, both are same equations. Both are same equation. So you have infinite number of solutions. Just because you have infinite number of solutions, can I say all of these? No, because those infinite numbers can be anything. Ordered plus, right? So if you check with the options, so for this problem, there is no other way. You have to go only with the options. Okay. So B is working. I'm not even checking. So B is the right answer. What? Okay. But A is also satisfying, no? A is satisfying only. A is, see. A is there, no? 2, 1. So 2, 1, it is satisfying this, yes. Is it satisfying this? 12 minus 4, 8. It is satisfying, no? What about B? 4, 4. 12 minus 8, 4. So A is first equation is all of these, I think. Yes, it should satisfy. All of these is the right answer. So 16th one, how to do that? 3 power x plus y is equal to 81. 81 power x minus y is equal to 3. So make the bases same. 3 power x plus y is equal to 3 power 4. So if the base is same, the powers are same. X plus y is 4. Similarly, this one you can write it as 3 power 4 into x minus y is equal to 3. So 4 times x minus y is equal to 1. Now you can solve it. So x plus y is 4, x minus y is 1 by 4. Add them, 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4, 17 by 4. So x is equal to 17 by 8. Is there an option? So 17 by 8, when you write it in the mixed fraction format, you get 2 times 1 by 8. That is x. So option C. Is there any doubt? Okay. Now see. Given the pair of linear equations, ax plus a minus 1 into y is equal to 1 and a plus 1 into x minus ay is equal to 1. For which one of the following values of A there is no common solution of the given pair of equations? There is no common solution means A1 by A2 should be equal to not equal to C1 by C2. So use that logic. A divided by A plus 1 is equal to A minus 1 divided by minus A. Which implies minus A square is equal to A square minus 1. So 2A square is equal to minus 2A square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1 by 2, which implies A is equal to, actually it should have been plus or minus 1 by root 2. But there is no minus, so you can take it as 1 by root 2. Option B is the right answer. Clear? Is it clear or not? Yeah. So 18th one, you can do it fast. 18th one. The values of A for which the lines x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 and a square x plus 2y minus 20 are concurrent. Concurrent means they're meeting at the same point. Correct. So how to do this is, suppose you take this to be a square x plus 2y minus 20. I'm showing you the diagrammatic representation. X is equal to 1 means what? It's a line parallel to whom? X is equal to 1 is a line y-axis and it is at a distance of how much value? 1 unit from the y-axis. So x is equal to 1 represents this line. Y is equal to 2 is a line parallel to x-axis and it is at a distance of 2 units. So what will be the coordinates of these points? 1, 2. So 1, 2 is a point on this line. So if you see in other problems, they would have told that this is a point that satisfies the equation, whereas here they told that all these lines are meeting at the same point. So meeting at the same point means whatever coordinate is common for everything will satisfy all the 3 equations. Is it clear? So 1, 2 is a point which satisfies this. When you substitute 1, 2, you get a square plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So a square is 16. A should actually be plus or minus 4, but minus 4 is not there. We'll go with plus 4. Okay. You substituted, no? But that there is a meaning. See, fortunately, it saved you because that is a meaning. See, the question is same only. The lines x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, where will they meet? At 1, 2 only. That is the u. It's fine. It's right. So 19th one. The value of k, if the linear equations x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0, has unique solution. Not equal to 10. 20th. So 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by k is equal to 3 by 7. Is it right? Correct? There is a mistake corrected. Okay. Okay, when I put it like this, there is a mistake. What is the mistake? It should either be minus 3 by 7 or 3 by minus 7. It's the option not concerned. I made a mistake here. Look. So what are the two equations given? X plus 2y is equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. So you're able to understand the difference between both. In one of the equations, the constant is on the right hand side. In the other one, it is on the left hand side. For this problem, there is no issue, I understand. But if there is a problem where you need to prove that they have infinite solutions, the mistake that you will do is you will take it as 3 divided by 7. But you should not take it as 3 by 7. What do you need to do? First, convert it to standard form. It will be minus 3 by 7. And wantedly, they'll give you the option which you will get wrong also. You will go and take that only. They'll do that. Okay. Because it's an estimated mistake. So 1 by 5 is equal to k by 2. So k is obviously not equal to 10. So option B is the right answer. But is this point registered? I'm not concerned about the answer. I'm concerned about this point. Is it registered? Next time, don't do that mistake. Okay. This 19th, sorry. What about the 20th one? Has a unique solution. So AM should not be equal to BL. Option A. 21. Graphically, the pair of linear equations represent two lines which are parallel. Because A1 by A2 is B1 by B2. 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1. 6 by 2 is 3, minus 3 by minus 1 is also 3. Do the 20th one. Sorry, 22nd. 2 by P plus Q is equal to 3 by 2P minus Q is equal to no, it is 7 by 20. Okay. See, both the values are on the same side of equal to, then you can directly use them. So you will get P plus Q as 6 and 2P minus Q as 9. Is that clear? Because if I equate the first and the last term, I cross multiply, I get P plus Q as 6. If I equate the second and the third, then I get 2P minus Q as 3 into 3, which is 9. Now, can you solve this? 3P will be equal to 15 and P will be equal to 5. If P is 5, what is Q? 1. What is the option? C. So 23rd one, I want you to try. So read the question. Man starts a job with a certain salary and earns fixed increment every year. If his salary was 15,000 after 4 years. Okay. So how to frame the equation? Let the fixed increment be Y. Right? So what is the starting salary? X plus after 4 years, how many increments you would have got? So X plus 4Y, what is the amount he has in his hand at that point? 15,000. Okay. Similarly, after 10 years of service, so started with X plus 10Y. After 10 years of service, what is the salary he is getting? Now you need to find what is the starting salary and increment. Subtract both. 6y minus 6y is equal to minus 3000. So y is equal to 500. Sorry. Y is 500. So every year increment is only 500. So x plus 2000 is equal to 15,000. So x will be equal to. So the starting salary was 13,000 and the increment is 15,000. So option B is the right answer. Is the solution clear? Right? Write it down.
Solve this using
Not compound. This can be solved using arithmetic progression. That's all you know what it is. It's the same thing actually. It's arithmetic progression. 4y, yes. So because you will find these kind of problems there also. "24th. From Bangalore bus stand, if you buy 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwantpuram, the total cost is rupees 46. So you have Bangalore bus stand here. So Bangalore bus stand to Malleshwaram and Yeshwantpuram. You buy 2 tickets. Okay, here you buy 2 tickets. Here you buy 3 tickets. Okay. So let the cost of each ticket be cost of each ticket from where? From Bangalore to Malleshwaram be X. Similarly, cost of each ticket from Bangalore to Yeshwantpuram be Y. So what did they say? 2x plus 3y is equal to 46. I don't know which year rates these are. 46 rupees in Bangalore, that to 5 members have. Impossible. But if you buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwantpuram, the total cost is 74. So 3x plus 5y is 74. Find the fares from Bangalore to Malleshwaram. It's easy. Which one? 8 and 10. Option D. 8 rupees and 10 rupees. Right? I think that's the thing. Let's check. Bangalore to Malleshwaram is 7 kilometers. But for 7 kilometers, 8 rupees auto also not. Okay, next step. Bangalore to Yeshwantpuram, that is 19 kilometers. For 7 it is 8 and for 19 it is 10. There also ratio is not matching. Some randomly framed problem. It's not a real time scenario. 25th. I think it is, I read the question just now. You can do it fast. Age of daughter, let's take it as X, and age of mother, let's take it as y. So y is equal to 5x y plus 5 is equal to 3 times x plus 5. So you can, in this problem, you can directly substitute 5x and solve. You can actually make it, you can solve it using substitution method. So 5x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 15. 2x will be equal to 10, which implies x is equal to 5. So x is 5 means y is 15, sorry, 25. So sum of their age is 30. Option B is the right answer. So 7x minus 5, okay, they're asking us to solve this. See, solving part, you can do it. See, 26th, 27th, and 28th, let's not do it now. We'll go for 29th. 26, 27, 28, you can do it as homework. So let's see 29th. X plus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to y plus 8 divided by y plus 4. So what are we supposed to do? See, one way is when you look at it, your mind will start thinking of cross multiplication, but don't you think it is slightly tedious? It's you actually have in such a way that xy will get cancelled. It's not a big deal. But I just wanted to share one idea with you. There is a concept from ratio and proportion. So if you have a by b is equal to c by d, so a by b is the ratio, a by b and c by d are said to be in proportion, right? So when I add 1 on both the sides, can I do that? When I add 1 on both the sides, I get a plus b divided by b is equal to c plus d divided by d. Means if I have two ratios which are in proportion, I can add 1 on both the sides. I can say this and this will give you the same ratio. Okay, and this effect is called as componendo. Have you heard of these terms? I don't think it is a part of your syllabus. So you call this effect as componendo. Similarly, a by b, if I subtract 1, and from c by d, if I subtract 1, I get a minus b divided by b is equal to c minus d divided by b. So this is called as dividend. What is it called? Dividend. Suppose I have a by b is equal to c by d, then I can write this as a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. And if you see, this is called as componendo dividendo. Because the numerator, what are you doing? You're writing a plus b. You're taking the idea from here. The denominator, you're writing a minus b. So it is componendo dividend. I'll tell you how it will save you in this problem. I got the idea, I just wanted to share it. You see, there's not some theory that I invented or something, it was already existing. It came because the name is given because you add 1 on both the sides. Okay. So sometimes you see these kind of ratios and proportion where instead of cross multiplying, if you want to solve the problem faster, you can go with this effect. This tool called as componendo dividend. Now tell me what is the question. X plus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to y plus 8 by y plus 4. See, I saw the coefficients of x and y, they both are same. So when I apply this so-called component or dividend, right? Wait. Have you learned a chapter called ratio and proportion? Separate chapter on it. In your 8th or something, 7th or 8th, you have learned. So there, this should actually come. I'm not sure. Maybe you would have forgotten, or I don't remember. It was removed from the syllabus. But there's a mathematical tool existing. So if I apply component or dividend for this, what can I do? X plus 2 plus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 minus of x minus 2 is equal to y plus 8 plus y plus 4 divided by y plus 8 minus of y plus 4. So what will happen? X gets cancelled here and y gets cancelled here, and here 2 is getting cancelled. So 2x divided by 4 is equal to y plus 12 divided by 4, cancel. So you got a linear equation. Engada? 2y plus 12. Now you got a linear equation, which implies x is equal to y plus 6. So instead of cross multiplying, cancelling the terms, you can directly go with this. Can you do it for the next equation and tell me? That is the next ratio which are in proportion. There are two, no, this is one of the equations. Other one is 2x minus 5 by 4y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 by 2y plus 1. So for the other equation, apply the same logic. Yeah. So there is a class here. No? See, but unfortunately, this will not work for the next one. Why? It's not about two variables. Coefficients are not same. So when coefficients are same, you can use it. And coefficients are not same, then you have to go only with cross multiplication. You can do that. You can do that. But there is no use. You will get a quadratic, I think. Check and see. So for the second one, 2x minus 5 divided by 4y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2y plus 1. Right? So if at all you want to apply that, see, listen. Can I rearrange it like this? 2x minus 5 divided by minus 1 is equal to 4y minus 1 divided by 2y plus 1. I took this to the other side. I just swapped the values. Now what I'll do is I'll multiply with the 2 here and multiply it with the 2 here. When I do that, 2x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 2 is equal to 4y minus 1 divided by 4y plus 2. Now you can apply component of difference. Guys, I just want to tell you one more thing. I'm not saying that this is the only way to solve the problem. You can still go with the method of cross multiplication also. I'm just sharing these ideas so that you can think better. Is it clear? So, did you understand when to apply the effect I told you, the component or dividend? When the coefficient of x in the numerator and denominator are same, you can apply it. For these kind of problems, because x will get cancelled in one of the parts. That is the reason. So, for example, if I apply it for here, if I apply it here, what will I get? Is it getting cancelled? I for 4y into 4y. 4y into y. Because I want here 2x is there. No, I wanted this coefficient also to become 2. So I multiplied with 2 here, but I should compensate with other 2. No. So I looked at the right hand side. Here I have 4y, here I have 2y. So I multiplied with 2 here also. Then you cannot do. Then only option is go with cross multiplication. So 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 2 divided by 2x minus 5 minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 4y minus 1 plus 4y plus 2 divided by 4y minus 1 minus 4y minus 2. Cancel it. So 4x minus 8 divided by minus 3 is equal to 8y plus 1 divided by minus 3. Cancel these two, which implies 4x minus 8y is equal to 9. Okay, so these are the two linear equations. Solve them. We get the answer. Here, so minus 7 are there. Okay, 4x minus 7. Then what I'll get? 4x minus 8y is equal to 8, which implies x minus 2y is 4. So I have x is equal to y plus 6 and x is equal to 2y plus 4. Equate both, you will get the answer. So y plus 6 is equal to 2y plus 4. So y will be equal to 2. Is there an option? No. Which two? See, this is the question. I brought this side, cross multiply. Right. So after I cross multiplied, I multiplied with 2 on both the sides. So 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 2 divided by 2x minus 5 minus 2x plus 2 is equal to x is equal to y plus 6. It's plus 6 only, no? If I see it in that way, none of the equations, none of the terms are satisfying. No, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4 is possible. Then there should have been a mistake here. But what is the other equation you got? Oh, you went by substitution method, right? So 4x minus 7 divided by minus 3 is equal to 8y plus 1 divided by minus 3. Cancel it. So 4x minus 7 is equal to 8y plus 1. 4x 4x minus 8y is equal to 8. X minus 2y is equal to 2. I wrote it as 4. That was a mistake. So x is equal to 2y plus 2. Now you will get the answer. So y is equal to 4. So when y is 4 substituted here, x minus... I wanted to check the other part also. Sometimes the options will also be wrong. There is a printing misstatements. So x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4. I hope you understood, right? So if at all you are comfortable with cross multiplication, go with it. What will happen? Xy and xy will get cancelled out. Okay. 30th. A says to be my present age is 5 times your age when I was as old as you are now. Okay. Age of AB X and age of BB Y. So how to solve this? So my present age, that is X, is equal to what is the first one? So my present age is 5 times your that age when I was as old as you are now. So y is enter. Age is to be my present age is 5 times your that age when I was as old as you are now. That's but x is equal to 5y if I take, there is no option that is saying that x is equal to 5y. But if you see the sum of their current ages is 48, all the options are satisfying. 48, A is satisfying 30 plus 18, B is satisfying 32 plus 16, C is satisfying 28 plus 20, but D is failing. 31 plus 19 is 50. So option should have either been A, B or C, but my present age is 5 times your so second one is easy. X plus y is obviously 48. My present age is, so present age is 5 times that age when I was as old as you are now. So 5 times that should be the option. But no option, no 40 and 8. So this is-
Actually, this is not how you would be at all.
my present age is 5 times. So A tells to be right. So A says to be that my present age. So let the age of AB X, present age of AB X is means equal to 5 times your that age when I was as old as you are now. But how many years back was it? X is equal to 5 into 48 minus X. That should have been the answer. Seconds, your age. I'm getting 40 and 8, even that should satisfy. Let me check this. Keep doing the next one. So do 30 first, please. So what is given at the back? But how did they get it? What is the first equation they frame? Okay, that. My present age what is the page number? M. Okay, problem number. Now B's present age is A's age. So read the problem. My present age is 5 times your that age. My present age is 5 times yours. Your present age is 5 times. My present age is 5 times that age when I was as old as you. I don't think the mathematical equation and what they have given in statement matches. My present age X is 5 times your that age when I was as old as you are now. So that guy is Y years only now.
Maybe it's your that is means when you how to reverse and answer.
So how to frame a time, how to get a time frame for it. So I'll think about this, you keep doing the next one. I'll try to frame the equation.
Y is equal to minus your age is y is equal to x minus y.
Do the next one, do the next one. Don't waste your time. I think I get that. So 31st. Do the 31st. So did you understand the question 31? So the initial investment made was 60,000. So it was made partly at 3% per annum and remaining at 4% per annum. So what is the meaning of 60,000 being invested partly? So out of 60,000, he didn't invest it completely, complete 60,000 at 3% per annum. So some X amount was invested for 3% per annum and the remaining 60,000 minus X was invested at 4% per annum. The total interest received after 1 year is rupees 2,200. How much money was invested at each rate? So find X and 60,000 minus X. So X and 60,000 minus X1. Right. So what would be the interest rate at 3% on X amount? 3 by 100 into X plus 4% would have been on 6,000 minus X. Sorry, 60,000 minus X. So 4 by 100 of 60,000 minus X. How much is this value equal to? 2,200 rupees. From this, can you find the value of X? So 3X plus 4 into 60,000 is 2,40,000 minus 4X is equal to 2,20,000. Did you understand what I did? No. Understood? No. So what is the value of X? So 20,000 was invested at the rate of 3% per annum and the remaining 40,000 was invested at the rate of 4% per annum. Is there anyone who's not clear with what I did? You're clear? Okay. Do the 32nd. Next week. That is only tomorrow. Till 2. The 12:30, 12:15 you will have your lunch, no? So 12:30 to 2. Because they told some bus pickup is there at 2 o'clock. Okay, listen. So let's do 32nd and wind up. 30th we will discuss it. I'll try to find out what it is. Okay. In the figure below, ABCDE is a pentagon with BE parallel to CD. Okay. So when B is parallel to CD, what is the equation that you are able to get it? X plus Y is equal to 5. And BC parallel to DE. Okay. Then they have given the perimeter of ABCDE. Perimeter of ABCDE is 21. So what is the perimeter of ABCDE, guys? AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA is 21. What is AB? 3 plus x minus y plus CD is how much? X plus y. X plus y is 5 only, no? Then that's it, no? So 2x minus 2y is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. It goes to the other side, it becomes 10. So x minus y is also 5. X plus y is 5 and x minus y is 5. Cancel it. 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 5. Y is 0. Option B. I hope it is clear. So 33, 34, 35, you can do it. In level 2, I wanted to do few problems. We'll do it in the next class, maybe for the first half an hour, because there are some problems related to physics. You see distance, time, and all those things. Especially, this will help you in your 11th grade also. There are problems based on motion in a straight line. We'll do them. After that, we'll start probability. So 30th, I'll see if I'll go home and think pleasantly and solve it also. Okay. They're done now. You'll have mostly you'll have a PTM or something. The 23rd, we are planning. That point it will be given to you. All are there in the solutions tab. There is a study material tab beside videos. So after each assignment, you need not ask me. For MTG, you obviously have to take the backside. For that, will not upload. 1 minute. Can I close it?